Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2015 Indian Chief Vintage with 32,153 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a color-matched Champion TRIKE kit with an independent rear suspension, electric reverse, and a parking brake, Indian top case, Indian passenger armrests, Indian tank pouch, Indian windshield bag, leather lever tassels, a front fender bumper rail, Indian highway pegs, and a lug jack. It comes equipped with cruise control, a keyless ignition, reverse, and electronic locking luggage. We have replaced the front and rear tires on this TRIKE. The Chief Vintage looks like it rolled out of a time machine, but its retro style is only skin deep, offering contemporary power and modern instrumentation. With a 111 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Vintage puts 119 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 753 pounds and has a 27.2 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.